Hey Mark, Jeff here. So here are the different, there's two ad groups. So ad group one is this area plus the two ad copies. So what you need to do for me is review this with East meets West. Just double check all of the landing pages are accurate. If you could go through the keywords and let me know if these are accurate. If there's any that are missing, we can go ahead and then add those. So yeah, we can definitely add or remove any that are not applicable. And then lastly, we want to make sure there's two ad versions per ad group. So I just want to make sure that I'm not 100% familiar with this industry, so I just want you to make sure that the ad copy that's been put together, the content here, is accurate and effective, and for both of these. And same thing with psychology and counseling, same situation. So just if you could go ahead, the big thing is making sure that you make the changes to the Excel spreadsheet and then save those and then send that to me. If everything's good to go, then I'll get everything set up and running. Thanks so much.